To make sure you're not flying on a Boeing 737 MAX, here's what you want to do. Visit your preferred airline's website. For this example, I will be using Delta and American Airlines. Once there, you want to input both your departure and arrival information, as well as the dates you're looking to travel. Once that information is populated, you want to scroll down until you see the word details. Click on details, and then you will see which type of aircraft you'll be flying on. These steps can be completed for every airline. If you found this helpful, please save and share. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and happy traveling.